Hey John, Bob Holzhacker here with Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in sunny and hot Scarborough, Maine. Thank you for asking about this beautiful trade-in, our 2019 E-Class wagon. It is certified pre-owned, which you probably know it is only available at a Mercedes dealer. We do the 180-point check that Mercedes requires. Any services need to be done, any equipment that needs to be replaced has to be original equipment manufacturer spec. It's OEM. And for that, they put on an unlimited addition to the warranty of 1 year, unlimited mileage. So if you put on a lot of miles, this could be the car for you. Beautiful example in a lunar blue metallic, one of my most favorite colors. I've had this color with Mercedes, and you don't get tired of it. At night it looks black, different levels of light, different shades of blue. It's really kind of nice. It is our famous 4MATIC system where every wheel is always powered. It doesn't have to shift around. As a matter of fact, to retain the feel of a rear-wheel drive car, it's actually 55 rear, 45 front with the torque distribution. So there's no torque steer or whatever. These cars are excellent in snow. You have the front collision warning system. That's a radar-based system for deer and moose and cars stopping in your path. It'll start to warn you, it'll start to apply the brakes and go to full stop if it needs to. Okay, let's walk around the car. It's just so well done. These are so classic. They do have the third row seat in the back. And that is folded down now underneath. These seats fold down, the second row folds down to make an entirely flat floor. It's very helpful when you go to Home Depot or go skiing, something like that. Okay, let's walk around this side. This car is very fully equipped. Our customer ordered this from the factory, took delivery here at Prime. I always like to look at the pedigree of a pre-owned car I'm working with, and this has an excellent history, excellent CARFAX, excellent pedigree. Okay, you have heated and ventilated seats. You have the Burmester sound system, which I think is the best in the business. It's 580 watts. And even if you don't listen to the stereo loudly, you can really pick out cymbals and the drums in a symphony at lower levels. So it really, really is nice. You have that beautiful 12-inch wide nav screen. And so on and so forth. So we hope you can come over next week, test drive this car, see if we can get this in your driveway. I just love the combination of this nut brown interior with the lunar blue metallic, and I think you'll like it too. If you need me before then, you might know in Maine we're closed on Sundays, but I am available 207-747-9714. Thanks, John.